little learners. Today we're going to read short Hey sentences together. The cat sat. Sam ran fast. The ant is small. Sam has a cat. Your turn to read. Fantastic!
A rat sat. Again, a rat sat. Your turn to read. Excellent! A man had a hat. Again, a man had a hat. Your turn to read. Excellent! A ram ran. Again, a ram ran. Your turn to read. Great job! Nan has a fan. Again, Nan has a fan. Your turn to read. Excellent! Max had a nap. Again, Max had a nap. Your turn to read. Well done! Sam ran a lap. Again, Sam ran a lap. Your turn to read. Excellent! A man has an axe. Again, a man has an axe. Your turn to read. Great job! A cat sat. Again, a cat sat. Your turn to read. Excellent! A cat has a mat. Again, a cat has a mat. Your turn to read. Excellent! A man has a van. Again, a man has a van. Your turn to read. Excellent! Pat has a bat. Again, Pat has a bat. Your turn to read. Excellent! Pam has a pan. Again, Pam has a pan. Your turn to read. Great job! A man has a map. Again, a man has a map. Your turn to read. Excellent!
Wow! Amazing work today, everyone! You did so well learning with Lolie. I'm so proud of you! Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!